Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Hakim bin Syahari and I am a student from University Teknologi Mara studying Mechanical Engineering and currently doing an internship at 3D Gen Sendirian Berhad. And today, I will show you how to use these 3D printers, FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling, Model Creality and the 5 Plus. Let's go. So this is Creality and the 5 Plus. Firstly, to turn on the machine, flip the power switch at the left side from the screen. Make sure the BL touch is blinking. After turning on the machine, most important thing to do is calibrate the machine by doing the leveling. Go to Settings, Leveling and wait for the printer to auto home. Go to AUX Leveling and press 1. Put a piece of paper under the nozzle and slightly move the paper until a friction is felt. To adjust the distance between bed and nozzle, go to the previous screen and use the Z home arrows. Repeat the step on point 2, 3, 4 and 5. Use the knob under each point to adjust the distance between nozzle and bed. Repeat the whole process for double check. Before printing, go to temperature and manual and set the temperature based on the material used. After the nozzle is heated, place the filament at spool holder with the correct position and cut the end of the filament using cutter. Insert the filament through the filament sensor and feeder by pulling the trigger while pushing the filament until it is extruded out from the nozzle. Go to Print, select your file and press Print. Your print is in the progress. That's all from me. Thank you.